New Delhi railway station has been put on high alert after Railway Board was informed by the Mumbai ATS about a bomb scare, and many trains have been halted and some delayed at the railway station following this bomb scare. Bhavtosh is getting us more on the story. Bhavtosh, what are the details with you? What was the specific input by the Mumbai ATS?
Well, in fact, an email was received by the Maharashtra ATS around 10 days back. The email said that trains that are flying between New Delhi and Kanpur will be targeted. And then early this morning, a letter was sent by Delhi police, specifically mentioning names of 5 trains that could have been targeted. Now, these trains include Rajdhani, Shatabdi, and also Duronto. Following which you see extensive checking going on at Delhi's New Delhi railway station, one of the busiest railway stations in North India. In fact, all passengers are being asked to make sure that their bags go through the scanning machine, and also people are being frisked. 2 trains, Neelanchal and Shatabdi, have been stopped by security agencies. They are being checked. Nothing has been found in them. They have also said that it could be a scare, it could be a prank by someone, but they are not taking chances post what has happened in Pathankot, and that could be the reason why such extensive checking is going on across New Delhi railway station. We are on platform number 16, and the checking is still going on here, and all passengers are being frisked.
Okay, and Bhavtosh, specifically, what all are the train services that have been affected? I believe some trains have been halted for checking as well.
Well, in fact, 2 trains have been stopped. One was Shatabdi and another was Neelanchal. Neelanchal starts from New Delhi and ends in Bhubaneswar. And Shatabdi was New Delhi Kanpur Shatabdi. They have been stopped. They have been checked. In fact, nothing has been found amiss in them. But again, I will go back to the visuals. You see extensive checking going on here at New Delhi railway station. The police is making sure that even if the threat or the email was just a scare, but they are not taking chances and making sure that that all passengers who are boarding any train will be frisked and will be properly checked before they board those trains.